Hello everyone, this is Future. I'm back again with another video on the C programming series, and in this video I'm going to be talking about functions. A function is a small program code that performs a specific task. To build functions, you need to know how to call and define a function. When you want to use a function during execution of your program, you call your function. And so here is how we define and declare functions in C programming. So first you have your return type, which is the data that the function would return, but if it doesn't have a return type, you write void. And for the function name, you give your function name, your function a name. The rules in naming functions are the same as naming variables. And within the parentheses, we have the variable declaration list, which is the parameters that the function will have. These parameters within the parentheses are separated by a comma. So after that, now we have the function body, which is what's inside the curly brackets. So for that, we have the variable declaration list and the statements that the function is going to be performing. So I'm going to show you guys an example of a function. Well, before that, you need to know that there are functions with parameters and functions without parameters. So I'm going to start with an example of a function without parameters. So I'm going to have my function that counts from 0 to 5, I guess. So I'm going to have my function, so I'm going to name it, so it's not returning anything, so it's going to be void. So I'm going to name it void count. You're going to be counting for me, so I'm going to have void because they're not parameters. So I say that the function has no parameters, so okay, I'm going to have my loop. So for the loop, I'm going to have, say, x here for the counter. I'm going to have my for loop, 1x. It's going to count from 0, so and then this has to be less than, yeah, and then I'm going to have, I'm just going to print this out. Variable x. So I mentioned to you guys that when we want to use a function during execution, so we need to call the function. We need to call the function. So I talked to you guys that C programming looks for the main function. It starts executing from the main function, so we need the main function. So this is where we're going to be calling our function. So my function count, oops, my function count. So I'm going to try and look for errors now. Okay, so I'm going to run this. So it counted from 0 to 4. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. It's okay. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about functions with parameters. In this video, we were talking about functions without parameters. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below.